Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having a great Valentine's Day. I'll tell you, this weather earlier this week was pretty crazy with the snow and some of the ice and school cancellations. I'm definitely ready for spring at this point, and I am ready for the spring real estate market to heat up. Definitely needs to heat up because, as we know and we've seen, inventory is still low at this point. And that brings me to a really good point I want to talk to you guys about today. I'm seeing so many people miss out on the home of their dreams because they're not prepared right now. And I've talked about this before, but the most important thing that has to happen is, before you go out looking at places, at homes, before you even start talking to a realtor, in my opinion, you've got to meet with your mortgage loan officer, which is me, first. Because you're going to be in the driver's seat of the whole entire process. You're going to know what you pre-qualify for, you're going to know what you can afford, you're going to have all the information up front. So in essence, you are going to be in the driver's seat of the process, and you can dictate what you want and what you're looking for. And I would say the last 2 weeks, it's been real interesting to see, because I've had 3 different people come to me, and they provided me their information up front, but they've done it in stages, and they've looked at places, and I haven't been able to pre-qualify them because I don't have all the information. So it's very tough to see somebody lose a house. I never want to see that happen. And as part of the pre-qualification process, you got to provide your income information, like taxes, pay stubs, and bank statements and things like that. So we have all that up front. And my pre-qualification process is really a strict process. I want to make sure that you get the best deal possible, and I want to make sure I have everything up front. So when you start looking at homes, you're prepared, you know exactly what you can afford. And when the realtor or you come to me and say, hey, we want to put an offer in, great, here we go, we're ready to go. We don't miss a beat. And that's the key. I want to make sure of that you get the home of your dreams. So you got to meet with your mortgage loan officer first before you do anything. Because again, I hate to see this. And it's been going on now for a few months, but in the last 2 weeks, I've had, like I said, I've had 3 people, and it's just not fun. And then you lose out on the home buying process. You lose steam, you lose interest, and you lose that energy you had wanting to get a place, and then you give up. And that's not good. I don't want you to give up. I want you to keep going. So that's my message for today. I'm off to Taekwondo right now. Let's keep this day rolling, everybody. Have a great Valentine's Day. Talk to you later.